Hello, good morning. I am freshly showered and packed up, and it is checkout time. So I am headed to Disney World, but first I have a couple stops along the way. So let's go. Hello from DSW Shoes. So I did something I have not done in forever, really, I don't think ever, and that is I got really big blisters in the back of my heels. And even the shoes I've been wearing at Universal are the same ones I wore last month. So I'm not sure why this time it caused blisters, but they're like 3-inch long blisters on the back of my heels. And I only keep like Aviana brand flip-flops just in my luggage all the time, just in case I need to like run and get ice or run to check on laundry. Like I don't have flip-flops or backless shoes with me to wear in the parks because I like to wear tennis shoes and socks. So anyway, I'm at DSW Shoes because I wanted to get some flip-flops that have support that I can wear in the parks while my blisters heal, because there's just absolutely no way that I can wear shoes with backs for a little while until these get better. I did some research and it said Birkenstock and Vionic were two brands. They carry them here. So I'm going to get a pair and then head to the airport. Heather's here. Just got her at the airport. Now we have to go eat and go to Disney World. Do the thumbs up again. I'm sorry, I cut you off. We're getting some essentials. Where are we? Walgreens? Walgreens, yes. We like that they sell beer and wine as well as everything else. So that's like all of our essentials. Making good choices before we go back to our hotel. So we just got to our room. We're staying in the garden wing this time, which is right next to the main Contemporary building. But the rooms are exactly the same as the main Contemporary. Bathroom, the fold down sofa, the 2 beds. And then we have like a little Juliet balcony thing. So we can, I think, look out if I can get it unlocked. But anyway, that's Bay Lake. We are pointing to the back of it right next to the water. Never stayed out in the garden wing room, so looking forward to it. Okay, finally got the sliding door open. It wasn't that hard, but here we go. You see the bottom floor has patios and the top ones just have Juliet balconies like this one, which means we can open it, but we can't stand out there. We are headed out to Magic Kingdom, and look, we're in the garden view section and you can park so close. Oh, thunder coming in. So we're right next to the main tower, and then we're down this end. But we like that our car is so close by. So anyway, let's walk to Magic Kingdom. We're behind the Contemporary, between the Contemporary and the water. You see that? And that metallic structure right there is a great photo op for anybody who just happens to be here and wants a cute pic. So one of the biggest perks of staying at the Contemporary is the ability to walk to Magic Kingdom and not have to worry about parking and boats and monorails and buses and all that kind of stuff. So we are headed that way and we'll be going through security next. Nobody entering right now.
And maintain physical distancing. Thank you.
We have just been putzing around the park. There's almost no one here. We went on a couple of rides, took pictures on Main Street, watched the characters on the train station, got up close to the castle to see how that's looking right now. Just super easy. It was kind of stormy when we arrived and dark, and so a lot of people left. And also, it's not open that much longer, so we're just kind of enjoying an easy time, and then we are off to dinner. All right, now we are headed to dinner. We just did the mobile check-in, which allows you to do it 15 minutes beforehand. Hi! Sun just came out. Not at the Plaza Ice Cream Parlor, but yes, the Plaza Restaurant, where we can order food from the Plaza Ice Cream Parlor. So let's go eat. So we decided to split this fingers and mash. It's a vegan entree because they serve so many good desserts here. We wanted to leave room for desserts. And then they have lots of good drinks, but we just cut water and soda. So anyway, they did bring us another plate so we can split it up. Let's see how it tastes. We're waiting for our dessert to arrive. The view's not bad. Look at that. All right, so our dessert just got here. I got the Plaza Sundae with a couple different flavors, hot fudge, which are brownie sundae. Brownie sundae. Our dinner was good. It's always when it's plant-based, it's a little different texture. Thank you. So that part is didn't, but the flavor was really good, and then it was just enough for us to split. So that was great. And what did you think of the food? It was good. It was good. It was good for us. Okay. The waiter just brought us to-go cups of Diet Coke, which is going to be handy to take out. We were also playing around. I'll post the picture here, but panoramic effects in this little room because nobody's in here. And so we're having fun. Anyway, we've got some ice cream to eat. We know it's going to be delicious, and then we'll be back out into Magic Kingdom. So we finished up at the plaza, and you can see how many people are here. It is 30 minutes after the official closing. The official closing is really just when you need to be in line for a ride, if you want to do a ride. But like, there's people on the hub grass. There's people everywhere. They'll let you stay for quite a while to take pictures, to shop, just to kind of walk around. So even though the closures are early, a lot earlier than they used to be, it doesn't mean it's actually the end. So we're gonna walk around as long as we can. We are walking around taking pictures. Look how pretty it is. It's the perfect time of day. Almost nobody is here. Love it so much. So at this point, there's a rope that closes off some of the lands. They definitely are trying to corral people to get towards Main Street, which is where we are. But still, what a gorgeous, gorgeous evening. And the lights are on. The park closes before dark, so it doesn't happen for very long, but I'm happy to see the lights on before we head out. Okay, one last look before we go. See you real soon, Magic Kingdom. So, nice walk back from Magic Kingdom, and then we need to get to our room and finish up for the night. But beautiful evening, great picture taking opportunities, and that's gonna wrap it up. So we'll see you tomorrow.